Good morning, children. How are you? We are going to study Unit 21 Health and Diseases. Health and Diseases. Okay, children. Health. You know about health? Yes. Everybody know about health. Yes. Health and disease. Disease also everybody know. Different kinds of disease are there. Yes or no? Yes, children. Yes, we are going to study about health and disease. Okay, this previous lesson everybody studied. Studied, children. Studied or not? Yes, everybody study properly. Okay. Yes. Now we have to study health and diseases. Health and diseases. Yes, health and diseases. Here some bad habits are there. See the picture? More bad habits are there. Everybody see the picture. Sweets. More sweets eating somebody. Yes. Cake. Sweets. Unhealthy food. Unhealthy food eating more. Yes. That good vegetables, fruits not eating. That is unhealthy food eating. That is very bad. Yes. Unhealthy drinks or drinking. Yes. Rest at home. Rest at home. Taking different. Yes. It is a bad habits. Yes or no? Yes. Bad habits. Yes. Here. See. Next to see. That is child abuse. Child abuse. Yes. You do more exercise. Your body will health. Eat proper food. Okay, proper food you eat, that is good for your health. Okay. Abuses occur in a variety of forms. Abuses occur in a variety of forms. Abuse. What is abuse? Dushprayo dushprayogam. Dushprayogam. கரெக்டாக பிரயோகம் பண்ணாமல் துஷ்பிரயோகம் பண்ணுறது. Abuse occurs in varieties of forms and deeply rooted in cultural, social, economic practices. Social abuse, economic practices, cultural, these are deeply rooted in cultural, social, economic practices. Solving this global problem, however, requires a much better understanding of its occurrence, causes, and consequence, with constant to sexual and childhood abuse. This is followed by some substance abuse. Are people leading healthier lives in today's modern world? Today's modern world, are people leading healthier lives in today's modern world than the generation did in the past? The olden days, the generation good health. Nowadays the generation, that modern world, that generation doing different bad habits. Yes or no, children? Yes. For instance, smoking cigarettes. Yes. Smoking cigarettes. The teenage peoples also using this, smoking the cigarettes. Alcohol addiction also, teenage people also. Yes. Use of using drugs. Eating high fat. Eating high fat. You see the picture, that man eating more fatty food, so only the body is like this. Yes. Eating high fat and cholesterol rich diets. Cholesterol making body, making cholesterol, that rich diets. Normal diet will good for your health. Normal diet. Cholesterol rich diet is very dangerous one. Cholesterol rich diet is very dangerous one. Excessive intake of junk food. junk food. That means we are preparing the fresh food that is good. Junk food, every children, everybody interesting to eat the junk food only. Yes or no? Every children eating like a junk food. Yes, fruits, vegetables don't like. Yes or no? Yes, junk food only eating more. That is dangerous one. That is a bad habit. Reduce physical activity are some of the risk factors for illness and early death. Early death. Illness, making illness and early death. This type of the cholesterol rich food and junk food that like you are eating means that is dangerous for your body. Reduce physical activities are some of the risk factors for illness and early death. The role of behavior in health has been receiving increased attention in the countries around the world. The health habits of individuals and the behavior influences of development chronic and fatal diseases such as diabetes, obesity, heart disease, cancer, AIDS. These are the fatal diseases. Fat. You are eating fatty food, fatal diseases. Diabetes, obesity, heart disease, cancer, and AIDS. These conditions can be substantially reduced by adapting lifestyle that promote wellness and protect their health by taking nutritious diet. Nutritious diet only making wellness and protect our body, protect our health. So taking nutritious diet is very important. Nutritious diet. No, don't eat fatty cholesterol rich diet. Cholesterol rich diet don't eat. Okay, that is dangerous for our body. So um, regular exercise and by avoiding drugs, alcohol and smoking. These all are make wellness and protect their health. Protect their health. Protect their health. Promote wellness and protect their health by taking nutritious diet, regular exercise and by avoiding drugs, alcohol and smoking. Okay, these are only promote the wellness and protect the health. How we will protect the health? How we will promote the wellness? We taking nutritious diet, regular exercise and avoiding drugs, alcohols and smoking. This only promote their wellness and protect their health. Protect their health. So we also use these all. Nutritious, take nutritious food, regular exercise and by avoiding drugs, alcohols and smoking. Drugs, alcohol and smoking. Okay children, everybody use your health is very important. Yes, health is very important. So do exercise, regular exercise and eat nutritious food. Nutritious food, avoid drugs, alcohols and smoking. Okay, anybody using this all? Drugs, alcohol, smoking? Anybody? That is very bad one. Avoid that one. Avoid it. That you are using that one means that is dangerous. That ill health. Okay. So you promote your wellness and protect their health. Protect your health. Okay children. Okay. Next one we have abuse. Abuse and type of abuse. Type of abuse. What is abuse? Abuse refers to cruel. cruel, கொடூரமான, abuse, கொடூரமான, துஷ்பிரயோகம், கொடூரமான, துஷ்பிரயோகம், violent, harmful or injurious treatment of another human being. It is includes physical abuse, emotional abuse, psychological abuse, verbal abuse, child abuse, sexual abuse. These are more types of the abuse. Okay, physical abuse, psychological abuse, verbal abuse, child abuse, sexual abuse. Okay, abuse can occur within the family and with the people who are not associated the family. Abuse can occur within the family and with the people who are not associated with the family. These days, the use of drugs, alcohol and tobacco has been increasing, especially among teenagers, teenage people, teenage children, as adolescent for adventures, excitement, curiosity and experimentation. These are nowadays in the teenage people also have increasing, especially among teenagers and adolescents, teenagers and adolescents for adventures, excitement, curiosity and experimentation. Nowadays that is very dangerous one. So this the drugs, alcohols and the tobacco has not been used. Okay, okay, let's analyze some of the consequences of sexual and childhood abuse. Sexual abuse, childhood abuse, it prevention and protection. It prevention and protection. Nowadays sexual abuse and childhood abuse, that is more going on. So we will prevent ourselves, protect our family. Okay, yes, types of abuse, what are they? Physical abuse, emotional abuse, verbal abuse, child abuse, sexual abuse. Okay, these are the type of abuse. We will protect from the prevent and protection from the childhood abuse, sexual abuse. Okay children. Okay, next we have, what is child abuse? Child abuse. Child abuse constitutes all form of physical and emotional ill treatment, sexual abuse, exploitation resulting in child's ill health, survival and development. That means child growing up can be difficult, but most children and young people receive the love and care they need. Everyone receive the love and care they need. Okay, that growing people, everybody want. Difficult can be difficult, most children and young people receive the love. Children and young people receive the love and care they need. Children also they need care and love, that young people also need care and love. But some children are hurt, some children are neglected, some children used by adult or other children, Abuse can mean different things to different children and can happen once or many times. Abuse can different things to different children and can happen only once or many times. Abuse can mean different things to different children and can happen once or many times. Okay, yes, that abuse, that means that refers to cruel, violent, harmful, injurious treatment of another human beings. So child also refer to cruel, child also cruel, that violent, harmful. Okay, so child abuse constitute all form of the physical abuse, emotional abuse, ill treatment, emotional ill treatment, sexual abuse, exploitation resulting in child's ill health, survival and development. Physical abuse of child is defined as those acts that cause physical harm, such as threatening, beating, kicking, hitting the child, threatening the child, beating the child, kicking the child, and hitting the child. So these are child abuse. These are physical harm, physical abuse. This is a physical harm, that is a threatening, beating, kicking, and hitting the child. So child abuse, that are forms are physical and emotional, sexual exploitation. Okay, yes, it is very careful to careful children, everybody careful your health and your body. Okay, yes, next we have to sexual abuse. What is sexual abuse? Sexual abuse is a form of power and dominance of one person over another. One person over another, forced, persuaded into sexual acts or situation by others. Forced or persuaded into sexual acts or situation by others. கம்பல் பண்ணி அவங்கள செக்ஷுவல் ஆக்ட் பண்ணுறது. ஓகே, தட் இஸ் a sexual harassment. துன்புறுத்தி செக்ஷுவல் பண்ணுறது, துன்புறுத்தப்படுகிறார்கள். Sexual harassment is a form of power, dominance of one person over another, which can result in harmful consequence to victim. It refers to inappropriate or forced sexual contact. That is very dangerous. It refers to inappropriate or forced sexual contact. Adolescent girls and women encounter sexual harassment in different forms. Yes, the adolescent girls also, women, that is sexual harassment in different forms. Sexual abuse is more common at workplaces. So sexual abuse is more common in workplace. You are working that place, you careful your body, you care your health. Okay, verbal remarks, commands, gestures and looks are the most common form of abuse. Verbal remarks, சும்மா கேலி பண்றது, கிண்டல் பண்றது, எஸ், பார்க்கறது, வித்தியாசமா பார்க்கறது, yes, that are most common form of abuse. This result in the psychological distress, physical illness and eating disorders in affected individuals. This result in the psychological distress, this one emotional distress, physical illness and eating disorders, so affect the individuals. So sexual abuse is very harassment in the form of power. So children might be encouraged to look at the pornography. That means ஆபாச படங்கள், ஆபாசமா செய்வது. Okay, that harassed by sexual suggestion or commands. Sexual subjection and commands, command கொடுக்கிறது, yes, கேலி பண்றது. He touched sexually, he be touched sexually or forced to have sex. So these are the sexual abuse. I thought for a long time that what was happening was okay, because dad said it has game that all fathers played with their sons, a secret game that only men knew about. So the force and pursued into sexual acts situation by others. It is very dangerous one. So you protect your body from the sexual abuse. From the sexual abuse. Yes, what are the sexual abuse? You know, sexual abuse more common at workplaces. Okay, verbal remarks, commands, gestures, or look are the most common forms of abuse. This result in the psychological distress, physiological illness, and eating disorders in affected individuals. In affected individuals. So, okay, children. Yes, understand. Next, child sexual abuse. Child sexual abuse. Child abuse studied, sexual abuse studied. Now, child sexual abuse. That abuse, sexual abuse maximum in the adolescent and women only. Adolescent girls and women, that sexual harassment in the different forms. Nowadays, child sexual abuse, CSA, the sexual exploitation or vitamization of child by an adult or older child. Example, abusers touch the child sexually. Abusers touches the child sexually. Child is forced to touch the abuser. Forced to touch the abuser. Forcing a child to watch pornography. Pornography, you watch, forcing the child. இதை வாட்ச் பண்ணு போன்றோகிராஃபை ஆபாச படங்களை பார்க்க வைக்கிறது. Watching a child undress or bathe. Watching a child undress or bathe. Exposing oneself to a child. Exposing oneself to a child. Performing sexual act on or with a child. Performing sexual act on or with a child. So, these are the abuses. Abuses touch the sexually. Child is forced to touch the abuser. Forcing a child to watch pornography. Watching a child undress or bathe. Exposing oneself to the child. Performing sexual acts on or with a child. So these are the examples of sexual abuse, child sexual abuse. These are the examples of child sexual abuse. Okay, children are considered soft targets for sexual abuse because they may not realize, they don't know that they are being abused. துன்புறுத்தப்படுகிறார்கள், பிரயோஜனப்படுத்தப்படுகிறார்கள். Commonly, abusers are person well known to the child. குழந்தையை பற்றி that abuserக்கு தெரியும் குழந்தை அது அப்படின்னு. ஆனாலும் may even be living the same locality. Abusers also bribe, use chocolate and toys. Giving chocolate, கொஞ்சம் சாக்லேட் தரேன் நீ வரியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சாக்லேட் கொடுத்து பிள்ளை மடையில வச்சிருவாங்க. After doing, abusers also bribe to lure children and take advantages of child innocence. Child innocence. So that abuser know childs are innocent. So we use sexual abuse. Okay, sexually abused children show symptoms of genital injury, abdominal pain, frequent urinary infection, behavior problems. These are child sexual abuse. So everybody careful your child. Careful care of your child. Okay, sexual abuse nowadays more going on. So care for you. Yes, approaches for protection and abused child. Approaches for protection of an abused child. How do you protect your child? எப்படி நீ protect பண்ணலாம்? Measures adopted for monitoring and assessment of abused child who have undergoing signs and symptoms of distress. Child helpline. Child helpline provides a social worker who can assist the child by providing food, shelter and protection. சைல்டு ஹெல்ப்லைனில் போயிட்டு அங்கே ஹெல்ப் கேட்டால் அவங்க என்ன செய்வாங்க, ப்ரொவைடிங் த ஃபுட்டு ஷெல்டர் அண்டு ப்ரொடெக்ஷன், அவங்க ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க, ஃபுட் கொடுப்பாங்க, ஷெல்டர் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ வி வில் go to the child helpline and ask help from there. Okay, counseling the child, psychologists and social workers should provide guidance, counseling and conscious support to victimized child. Child don't know, so give idea to the child, give idea, so, some guidance give to the child. Psychological and social workers should provide guidance, counseling and continuous support to the victimized child. Counseling, give to the counseling. Counseling you psychologists and social workers should provide the guidance. So family support, family also support the victimized child should be supported by the family members. They should be provided with proper care and attention to overcome their suffering. Family members only support the child, should be supported by the family members. Family support is very important. Family only support the child, all others, neighbors, any other friends not supporting, only giving dangers to the children. So family supporting by family members, supported by the family members, they should provided with proper care, attention to overcome their suffering. Medical care. A child victim of sexual offences should receive medical care and treatment from health care professional to overcome mental stress and depression. Mental stress and depression. Yes, medical care. The child victim sexual offences should receive medical care and treatment from the healthcare professional to overcome the mental stress and depression. தட் அப்படி பாதிக்கப்பட்ட பிள்ளைங்களை உடனே எங்கே கொண்டு போகணும், மெடிக்கல் கேர் கொண்டு போய் அங்கே உங்களுக்கு வந்து ப்ரொஃபஷனல் டு ஓவர் கம் த மென்டல் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அண்ட் டிப்ரெஷன் மென்டல் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸை என்ன செய்யணும், அதுலேருந்து வெளியே கொண்டு வர்றதுக்கு என்ன செய்யணும், மெடிக்கல் கேர் கொடுக்கணும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஒன். கவுன்சிலிங், லீகல் கவுன்சிலிங். எஸ், promote the legal counseling, promote social norms. Yes, the family guardian of the children victim shall entitled free assistant legal counsel for such offense. It is an offense, so legally that giving the counseling. Rehabilitation, that enrolling the schools and resuming the education is important step towards rehabilitation of the child. They educate the children. That time rehabilitation, enrolling the schools and resuming the educations, returning to the normal after incidents of the abuse. Community-based effect, conducting awareness campaign on child abuse and its prevention. So these are the approaches for protection of the abused child. Next, how do you prevent the child? How will you prevention of child sexual abuse? Sexual abuse வராம பாதுகாக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? Sexual abuse வராம பாதுகாக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம்? The most important social policy proclaimed universally is the prevention of child abuse. Taking steps to prevent childhood sexual abuse is parental and institutional responsibility. Parental and institutional responsibility. Instruction, giving instruction to by the parent and the teachers. Teachers also give the instruction, parents also give the instruction, because children have don't know that ideas, that teachers and parents only give idea to the children, prevent, how do you prevent the sexual abuse, that we will teach, we will give ideas, we will give knowledge to the children. So what are the knowledge? Do not talk to any suspected person or strangers, and to maintain a distance. Any the opposite sex, you stand far away. That means give distance, maintain the distance, maintain the distance. So that is very important. Do not talk to any other suspected person. That means a stranger person, and to maintain the distance. கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி தான் நின்று பேசணும், பக்கத்துல நின்று பேசக்கூடாது. Do not be alone with unknown person. Unknown person, நமக்கு தெரியாதவங்க பக்கத்துல நின்று பேசவே கூடாது. Do not alone with unknown person. To be careful while traveling alone in public or private transport. Careful transportல travel பண்ணணும். Okay, you are alone means very careful, very careful. Alone means carefully you traveling the transport. So not to receive money, toy, gift, chocolate from known or unknown person. தெரிஞ்சவங்ககிட்டயோ தெரியாதவங்ககிட்டயோ சாக்லேட்டோ கிஃப்டோ கொடுத்து அவங்க தருவாங்க, நம்ம என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, அதை வாங்கக்கூடாது. தெரிஞ்சவங்களும் இந்த இதுக்காக என்ன செய்வாங்க, இது குழந்தைகளை என்ன செய்வாங்க, எப்படியாவது கைக்குள்ள போட்டுடலான்னு சாக்லேட்டு பிஸ்கட்டு அப்படி ஏதாவது கொடுத்து பிள்ளைங்களை பக்கத்துல இழுப்பாங்க. ஆனா என்ன செய்யணும், நீங்க அதெல்லாம் வாங்கக்கூடாது. Do not to receive money. சில பேர் பணம் கொடுப்பாங்க, டாய்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க, கிஃப்ட் கொடுப்பாங்க, சாக்லேட் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஆனா நீங்க என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, வாங்கக்கூடாது. வித்தவுட் நாலேஜ் ஆர் their parent. உங்க பேரண்டோட ஆலோசனை இல்லாம, உங்க பேரண்ட் உடைய பெர்மிஷன் இல்லாம எதுவுமே வாங்கக்கூடாது. Do not allow known or unknown person to touch them. யாரையும் டச் பண்ணி பேசக்கூடாது, தொட்டு பேசக்கூடாது, தொட்டு பேசக்கூடாது. தெரிஞ்சவங்களையோ தெரியாதவங்களையோ. known or unknown person. Don't touch known and unknown person. Okay, yes, it is responsibility of every individual living in society to ensure a safe and protected environment for our children, to enable them to live with dignity and free from any form of the violence. Free from any form of the violence. So we will prevent of child sexual defense. We are going social norms, bystander approaches, men, boys, mobilization. Teach skills to prevent sexual violence. Sexual violence பற்றி பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு தெரியப்படுத்தணும். டீச்சர்ஸ் என்னது, செக்ஷுவல் வயலன்ஸை பற்றி நம்ம பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு கற்றுக் கொடுக்கணும். சோசியல் எமோஷனல் லேர்னிங். டீச் ஹெல்த்தி சேஃப் டேட்டிங் and intimate relationship skills to teen, promoting healthy sexuality, empowerment based training, provide opportunities to empower and support girls and women, strengthening economic support for women and families, strengthening leadership and opportunities for girls, provide opportunity to empower and support the girls and women. Provide opportunity. Next, create protective environment. நம்ம இருக்கிற இடம் எப்போதும் பாதுகாப்பா இருக்குதா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு, இல்லைன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், கிரியேட்டிவ் ப்ரொடக்டிவ் என்விரான்மெண்ட் நம்ம உருவாக்கணும். நம்ம நல்ல பாதுகாப்பான இடத்தை தேர்ந்தெடுத்துல இருக்கணும். அப்புறம் சப்போர்ட் விக்டிம் சர்வைவர்ஸ் to lessen harms. victim centers services, treatment for victims, treatment for risk children and families to prevent problem behavior including sex offending. So these are the prevention of child sexual abuse. These are the prevention of child sexual abuse. So very important these all. So this one your class work also. 5 points given. Prevention of child sexual abuse. Write in your class work note also. Okay. First point is do not talk strangers to maintain distance. Not be alone with unknown person. Do be careful while traveling alone in public or private transport. Not to receive money, toys, gift, chocolate from unknown person without knowledge your parent. Not to alone known and unknown person to touch them. These are the important prevention of child sexual abuse. Okay, children, everybody study this one, this part. Your no, your whole class work is this prevention of the sexual abuse. Okay, one some ways given, 10 ways given. How do you protect? How do you healthy? How do you protect yourselves? That 10 ways given. One is child safe. Know where your child is. உங்க குழந்தை எங்க இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத கரெக்டா தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Know who your child is with. உங்க குழந்தை கூட யார் இருக்காங்க. Be aware of adult who single out your child with attention, gift special privileges. Be sensitive to changes in your child attitude or behavior. Be sensitive. குழந்தை என்ன செய்துட்டு இருக்கு அப்படின்னு அப்பா அம்மா கவனிக்கணும். Teach your child about right relationship. ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பை பற்றி கரெக்டா பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு தெரிய வச்சிருக்கணும். Listen to your child. Practice basic safety skills. சேஃப்டி ஸ்கில்ஸை பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும். Talk to your child about when to say no to an adult. Give your child your unconditional love and attention. Be involved in your child activities. Be involved in your child activities. குழந்தை என்னெல்லாம் செய்யுது அதெல்லாம் கவனிச்சு அந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்ல நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், இன்வால்வ் பண்ணணும். Okay, that is these are the 10 ways. So these are the protective ways. Okay, so we have studied this all. It is very important, children. Okay, to prevent yourself, prevent of child sexual abuse. So protect yourselves. Okay, children, now homework. Write 10, fill in the blanks in this lesson, in this part only 2 pages. This part 10, fill in the blanks, write it after your homework, your classwork. Prevention of child sexual abuse. Prevention of child sexual abuse, classwork, page number 302. Prevention of child sexual abuse. Everybody open the book. Prevention of child sexual abuse. 5 points given. That 5 points you write it. Write the heading with that 5 points. That is your classwork. Okay, children. Everybody study this all. Okay. Write homework neatly, properly. Send that same day. That is 7 o'clock. Okay. Everybody study this lesson properly. Protect yourselves properly. Okay, children. Okay.